Welcome! Today we're going to show you how to expand VEO 3 landscape videos to portrait videos without losing quality. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for an AI named Runaway. You need to just open the first link. After that, you need to just sign in or sign up to Runaway account. So click on get started, and now it will prompt you to sign in with Google or any account that you have. So I see I am already signed in. So after you do so, you will be on chat mode as see from here. You need to click on start with tool mode instead. Click on it. And now from here you will have a lot of prompts to use from. So the first prompt that you will have is Gen 4 Turbo or Gen 4. You can use Gen 4 Turbo. After that, you will have to upload the video that you want to expand from here. So just click on the video and drop it here. After you do so, click on the aspect ratio and choose the portrait mode. So after choosing the portrait mode from here, like 9 to 16, you can also have more settings from here, but most of the settings is pro subscription. So if you have pro subscription, it will help you a lot. After doing everything from here and changing the prompts, you can actually paste the same prompt that you posted on VEO 3 from here so that it won't actually make any problems with the normal video. So it won't change anything, it will just expand it. After you do that, you can actually just click on generate and generate the video, and it will be the same video as VEO 3 but expanded to portrait. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.